Okay, hello students. So today we'll discuss about the metal reactivity series. What is the metal reactivity series? In this series we have arranged the metals in the decreasing order of the reactivity from top to bottom. Means the metal at the top is most reactive and metal at the bottom is least reactive. And in simple displacement reactions, basically when we are undergoing, so the metal which is above in the activity series will displace the metal below it, and the metals below it cannot displace the metal above it in the activity series. So let us discuss the trick or the mnemonic to learn the metal activity series basically. Now, so first of all, we'll write the mnemonic. Start like this: put some cats, monkeys, and zebras in large hired cages. Make sure properly guarded. Make sure properly guarded. So this is the mnemonic. Now let us see what does it mean. So put means P, that is potassium, some, S, that is sodium, cats stand for C, that is calcium, M of the monkey stand for magnesium, and A stand for aluminium, Z of the zebra stand for zinc, I of the in stand for iron, L of large stand for lead, L-E-A-D, lead, hired, H stand for hydrogen, cages, C stand for copper, make, mercury stand for make is M stand for mercury, S of sure stand for silver, then properly P stand for platinum, and guarded G stand for gold. So let us write the symbols. Potassium is K, sodium is Na, calcium is Ca, magnesium is Mg, aluminum is Al, and zinc is Zn, iron is Fe, and lead is Pb, hydrogen is H, copper Cu, mercury Hg, silver Ag, platinum is P small t, and gold is Au. Okay, so this is the metal activity series. And now, that is, potassium is the most reactive metal and gold is the least reactive metal. This is the order of the reactivity of metals in the decreasing order, that is from the most reactive to the least reactive. Like for example, if we take any two of these, like if we say take copper and sodium, so sodium is above it. Example, in a displacement reaction, displacement reaction, sodium will displace copper because sodium is above copper in the metal reactivity series. Okay, like for example, another example is that, like if I take magnesium and copper, so magnesium can displace copper. Magnesium is above copper in the activity series, so magnesium is more reactive than copper. This is more reactive and this is copper will be less reactive, so magnesium will displace copper. So like if we are having a reaction of magnesium plus copper chloride, so magnesium will displace copper and it will form magnesium chloride, MgCl2, and the copper will be displaced. So since magnesium is more reactive than copper, so magnesium will displace copper and it will form magnesium chloride. But if we were having the reaction copper plus magnesium chloride, if we are having the reaction copper plus of magnesium chloride, then we will have no reaction. Why? Because copper is below the metal activity series and magnesium is above it. So copper is less reactive than magnesium, so copper cannot displace magnesium. Okay, hope you have understood. Thank you class. That's it for today.